Hopefully this will be a fairly short video. I'm going to attempt to do a lower ball joint on 99 Ford F150 two-wheel drive, the old school method. Okay, first thing we got to do is get that nut off of there. And I don't have a tripod low enough to keep you down here, so we'll have to come back. Okay, my standard method for doing this did not work out. Ended up taking my air chisel with a hammerhead, 2-jaw puller, and as you can see, the ball joint is loose. Now we just push things out of the way so we can get to the joint itself. At this point, I recommend taking this loose so that you don't pull this brake cable up. As you can see, it's pulling up kind of snug right now. So we'll get that loose and then proceed to get that ball joint out. Okay, we are going to attempt to take things apart here just as soon as I figure out what to do with my tools. Okay, on the Ford, there's a snap ring right here. So I'm waiting for it to fly off into no man's land. Sorry about the shadows. It's joys of working outside. Okay, now comes the fun part. Air tools. Gonna move you back a little bit. Got to get my hearing protection and my safety shield. This is going to get noisy. I think I need a little more oomph. So, if at first you don't succeed, increase the air pressure. Well, that's a stubborn one. Old school methods may not work on this one. Okay, had to reposition a little bit. But hopefully you can see. And it's out. Now normally, the real old school method would have been to drive that down with a hammer. But that's what my air hammer did. When it starts caving them in, you know it's shot. And you know it's stuck. Okay, got to set up for the... Okay. Used to be, I would just use a big socket. But this is a cup off of my ball joint press. Which, yes, I could have done this with a ball joint press. But what would be the fun in that? Now the hardest part of this whole thing is getting everything to line up. You take the base off of this and there's a hole right there in the center for the stud off the ball joint to slip through. So now we just apply pressure and we go back to the air chisel. I really got to get that coupler fixed. So we tap it a little bit here. Pressure. And there it just went, that last little bit. Put the snap ring on, put the grease third in, put this back on there, and we are all set to go. Now the real fun is getting this down underneath that Carter key. But first, I have to lift that up and then probably turn the wheel. But before that, I need to lower it. What I didn't mention was, don't take your shock loose. Leave your shock hooked up so that you can jack against it. Get a solid place. And if the jack should fall or anything else like that, well, the shock will hang on to things to keep the spring from flying out and killing you. Isn't that nice? Nobody wants to get killed by a spring. If you're wondering what I'm using, it's a coat hanger. It's a lot better than baling wire or bungee cords when you got something this heavy. Man, I got sweat rolling in my eyes. Okay, now I've got to get this 2x4 out of here. Got to get in there, pry that up. Try not to hit myself in the ear again. This most absolutely is sometimes the hardest way to do things. Alright, gotta turn the wheel. Got to turn the wheel again. Maybe just straight forward now. Well, it stopped recording. Dang it. Well, it's back in. There it is. All I have to do is shove the joint up, put the nut on, run it down, put in the cutter key, throw some grease to it, and put the wheel back on. And it will be done.